Do you want to sound more natural and not be dependent on using a script for your videos? In this video, I'll show you the 3 biggest challenges with going scriptless. I'll also show you how to fix them. So I've been on YouTube for around 6 months now, and I've made about 50 videos. And one big challenge I've had, I haven't really dared to go completely scriptless. I have used a script where I have the text rolling on the screen, more or less word for word in most of my videos. That is good for keeping the plot and staying on point and having a structure and knowing what to say at all times. But it is also a bit of a challenge in the way that I don't feel as free as I would like. At worst, a bit robotic. The first biggest challenge that I've had is that I experienced brain freeze. I forget what I was supposed to say, what I wanted to say. And then all the filler words starts happening, like the and the and I also start dragging the words like and, while I'm trying to remember what I was supposed to say. The solution to that, before I start, create this mental roadmap of what I am going to say. So I know that in the beginning, I will have a hook and why you need to watch this video. And then I have the 3 problems that I have experienced and how I am trying to fix it. The second thing, that I start rambling, or I can easily lose the plot and go off topic. To avoid rambling and going off topic and losing the structure, I use bullet points instead of an entire script. I just put down the 3 points, which of course, first the roadmap will help me to remember. But if I forget, at least I have the bullet points there, so I know at all times what I am going to talk about. That really helps me to stay on track without it sounding too rehearsed. And it certainly helped feeling more free and engaged in my videos. The third thing is that I am scared to forget important information or key points that I was supposed to deliver. As I'm speaking to you now, what I am trying to achieve and what I'm trying to do with my videos is to actually build a connection. So more importantly than speaking the perfect words all the time, it is more like trying to actually build a connection with the audience. I'm speaking to a phone, and so it can also be difficult when you're speaking to the camera, whether it's your phone or a different camera, to see the person behind the camera. But that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to talk like I'm talking to a friend that sits behind the camera. And that also helps with it sounding too rehearsed or stiff. It really takes practice, and this is a practice video. I am really just throwing myself out there, trying to get better at it, and there is no better way to get better at something than just taking action and doing it. So that's what I'm doing. Trust yourself to find the right words, because you will. And if you forget something, that's okay. Make another video about the things that you forgot. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.